like since 5 a.m. because I had stomach pain. So now I check out my Airbnb and I'm back in hostels, but I want to trim my hair. I have some sewing scissors that I'm going to use, and I want to take advantage of the fact that I'm still here and I haven't checked out yet. And I give myself a trim, then I'll eat something and start packing my stuff and make the move. And I really enjoyed this little me time while I've been unwell, though I kind of thought I would feel more better by now, but it's okay. I'm definitely improving, so hopefully I can just have a nap. I've got a female only dorm, and I think it's only four bed rooms, so I think that will be a good transition back into the hostel world. It was my childhood. After spending 2 months in Patagonia and having an upset tummy, returning to the city has been a bit intense, but I've managed to find it was recommended to me, some nature spots, and it's lovely. The sound, the shade, the green, the birds. It's soft. I'm tired. I'm having a bedrock day. It went a bit too, not hard, but like started doing normal things a bit too soon. I don't feel better today. But I leave in 2 days and I'm excited because I'm going to see the waterfall and it's gonna be beautiful and nature's healing. So I'm excited to get out of the city. Okay, I literally just arrived. Oops, sorry. An hour ago. Put my stinky clothes to wash and went grocery shopping. So my stomach is still effed. Oh, I'm in Rio now, by the way. Second time here. Got a month so far. So apparently, papaya has digestive enzymes that are good for your stomach. I never used to like it, but it's now growing on me. And I'm going to make myself stuffed rice. So nice and bland. Bananas are nice and bland and good for you. And potassium. Now I'm ready. I'm prepared, mentally prepared to fight ants again now that I'm back in Rio. And that's what happened last time. I'm starving. Okay, I need to cook. So let's chat in a bit. It's like a rainy day today, but I want to show you what I finally purchased We finally got a digital camera to replace the one that my friend's cat peed on, and I need to charge it though, so that's why I'm not using it right away. It's so cute. My other camera had 20 megapixels, this one only has 14, but I really value now like things not being like too expensive, especially that I'm not making any money currently. I'm spending my savings and having kind of detachment to my material possessions, because you lose things all the time when you're traveling. But I want to show you, now that I'm here for a while, I have bought a few things, and buying things now feels like such a luxury. I'm trying to be very mindful and slow in buying, that pause before I decide to purchase something. For example, actually, I'm gonna cook first and I'll come back. For example, the clothes I bought here are like multi-purpose. Like the skirt, this crochet skirt I have, like I can wear it at the beach, and I wear it to belly dancing, and then I just wear it on top of my yoga flares because I think it looks amazing. So I feel like this was a really good purchase, even though it was like an additional item. But I really love it. And I think when you buy clothes, either if it's a functional purpose or you like really love it and it makes you feel really good, and it feels perfect for your personality, vibe, and expression. And the jumpsuit I bought also, like, it's super flowy. It makes me feel really like good when I am bloated and I wear it, because my belly just feels so free and no one can see anything, and the way it just like slides over my body is just so soft and silky. And I like the way it ties, and if I have my hair up you can see my tattoo, and I don't have to wear my bra, and it doesn't show everything there. It's thick enough consistency that it looks great. Like, it just looks so effortless and feels so comfortable, and you can dress it up and down, and I love this, like being able to dress things up and down. And also my yoga flares, actually, this from Indigo Luna, I have loved these. Yeah, I think about this now, like, not in the sense of like I feel like ashamed that I need to cover my bloated belly, but more from the perspective of what looks good but also feels good. And I'm still going to have fitted tops and fitted clothes, but always have some options for complete comfort and no restrictions, that my body can do, I can flow the way it needs to on the inside, and it isn't being prevented from doing what it needs to do. So yes. Oh no, the guy forgot to give me the charger, so I have to go all the way back. That's another half an hour of walking, but it's okay, I need to digest my food anyway. But I want to show you, oh god, it's super noisy here, this bag I got. I mean, I don't really like the logo, but I think maybe I could pick it off with my stitching picker. Oh, they got a little mesh thing there. Stick something on it. Anyways, the best part is this bit. It would fit my drink bottle. So I really, really like this. And I just need to, what's going on here? Oh, shit. I'm gonna have to do some sewing. Great. Bought a strainer because there isn't one here, and a little notebook because my journal, I've almost finished my journal. So cute. And I want to have something sweet, so I'm having some yogurt because I'm trying to see if yogurt is actually okay for me. I started working with a nutritionist last week to work on my gut problems that I've had since I was a teenager, and I'm very looking forward to seeing how it goes. So I'll give an update at the end of this month, but my whole time in Rio is about like having routine, stability, catching up on sleep. Some of these things can kind of like fall by the wayside when you're traveling and moving and like sharing your sleeping space with people. It's very inconsistent in terms of like how noisy, disruptive these things are, and availability of food, and your gut needs, variety. I definitely wasn't getting that in Patagonia. It was all about like nourishing my body and really looking after myself, and like from the whole, not just my gut, but like everything, like meditating and dancing, like that, just like reinstating that feeling of safety and joy in myself. And so I'm really, really happy to be here. And it's been 1 week and I have a few weeks to go. My ideas for the camera is the digital camera, which is secondhand, like looks super like not expensive, but outside when I'm in Rio and there's like chance of theft, and then I'm going to use my phone when I'm inside and doing like chit chatty things, because this phone doesn't leave my flat. I also have a secondhand phone that I use whilst I'm in Rio that I bought in the UK when the first time I was here. Use this one. It's really old and super slow, but it's perfect. And then it really has WhatsApp, and because it's so slow I don't really like to use it that much. I just when I'm out and I need to text some people and organize things. But it's really nice having this separation of like my main phone that then doesn't have like WhatsApp, and then when I need to WhatsApp I'm not like getting distracted by other things. So it's kind of funny how that is. Like I always thought 2 phones would be annoying, but I can understand now the hype between when people have like their smartphone and when they're dumb phone. I'm very curious about getting a dumb phone, but not the one that has WhatsApp, because people don't actually text and call numbers that much, and especially now that I have international friends, it's very expensive to call people's actual numbers. Yeah, so I'm rambling on a bit, and I'm gonna stop it here and hopefully can tell you a bit more about what's going on with me, what I've been up to, maybe more just like what's happening now, and to share as I go along, and you can see a little bit about what I'm up to in Rio, my life here, if you're interested in visiting, what it would be like.